Here we have a Jag F Type, and what we've done, we've modernised the car a little bit. So we've done that by adding a CarPlay system. And what we've done is an integrated CarPlay system that actually works with a factory screen and controls. So we haven't changed any of that, that all remains the same, but you have this added function of CarPlay. Now CarPlay works with Apple and Android, both wirelessly. By having this CarPlay system installed into your vehicle, you have the latest mapping, so you could do Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze, whatever platform might you want to use, and also music. So if you've got Spotify, YouTube Music, any other sort of music platform, most of them work with it. So anything that's licensed with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will work with this vehicle. So this basically keeps your system up to date and just modernises it. So let's have a look. If you pop in. That sounds nice. So, I'll turn the engine off so we don't gas ourselves. So that's the main functionality of the screen. That's all standard Jaguar. So what you have to do, you have to make sure that this is set on AUX as a source, and then all the CarPlay audible side of it will come out through the car speakers, as long as that's the case. So if you push and hold the home button for 3 seconds, flick onto the CarPlay. So all we need to do now is pair it up. So just go into settings, that's the CarPlay. So clicking on that, go pair, allow, and connect to CarPlay. And just shows you how simple that was. And now the phone is connected, completely wireless, and same with Android phones, that would be completely wireless. So here you've got the functionality of CarPlay, which is all the apps that's licensed for CarPlay. So you have your normal map, your phone calls, music platform Waze. So that's Spotify. If you go into Waze, you could do that, and you just control it all from here, so you don't have to touch your phone after this. Everything is done through that. You could split the screen, so you could have your music thing there and the mapping there. And you can see the system's touchscreen, and the CarPlay works with the touchscreen platform of the vehicle. This has factory reverse, so start it up. Just show you, so it has got a reverse camera as standard, so it's not one reinstalled, but that still remains and work. So you can see the reverse camera just flicks through, go back into park, goes back into CarPlay. If you want to come out of CarPlay, pretty straightforward. So what I've done, I had to turn the engine off, and now it's just going to resync. But all you have to do is push the home button, and that takes you out of CarPlay. And then if you want to go into a different source, go back into radio, you could do that, and it's pretty straightforward. Go back in source, go into AUX, and then if you want to go back into CarPlay, you just push that. So it's really easy to navigate through, and it's really easy to flick between the normal factory system and into the CarPlay. All you have to do is push that one button, and it just flicks between the two, and it does it quite rapidly as well, as you can see. So there you have it. We have this Jaguar F Type, and we fitted an integrated CarPlay system working on the factory platform.